Are you an engineer looking to migrate to Australia? Then you have probably heard about the CDR report. And if you are like many others, you are probably feeling overwhelmed. You have got the skills, the experience, but the writing, the structure, the formatting, that's where most engineers get stuck. And that's exactly why we create this video to show you how we can guide you through the process step by step. Why CDR matters? The real challenge. The Competency Demonstration Report or CDR is not just a formality. It's the document that tells Engineers Australia, I have what it takes to work in your country. It's your career in words. But here's the issue. Many engineers don't know where to begin. English may not be their first language, and the report gets rejected or flagged for plagiarism. That's frustrating, and it can delay your migration dreams by months. What is included in a CDR report? Let's break it down. A CDR report includes 4 parts. First one is curriculum vitae or CV. It's a clear resume with academic and job history. Second one is continuing professional development CPD. A list of training, seminars or learning you have done after your first degree. Third important thing is 3 career episodes, which is real life engineering project you worked on, written in a detailed narrative. The last important thing is summary statement. It's a cross-reference showing how your projects meet Engineers Australia's competency codes. It sounds simple, but here's the catch. Each section must meet strict formatting and content guidelines, and Engineers Australia is very specific about what they want. Let's think about some common mistakes people make. Let's talk about what can go wrong so you can avoid it. Using a copied template, writing in the third person instead of using I did this, especially in the first person, not explaining your personal role in a team project, submitting career episodes with too much theory and not enough practical applications, failing to map the summary statement properly, and the biggest one, plagiarism. Even one person copied text can get your entire application rejected. How our company, Healthcare Engineering Private Limited, the prominent medical technology and advanced healthcare consultation company in the industry, helps you. That's where we come in. Our technical team has helped several engineers, technologists, technicians to prepare high quality, personalized CDR reports, and we are here to support you too. Here's what we offer. Initial consultation. We assess your profile and help you choose the right and score code. One-on-one guidelines. You will be connected with a professional CDR expert. Career episode writing support. We help you write or edit your episodes from scratch. Plagiarism checking and technical review. Summary statement drafting and mapping. Submission support. So your report is 100% compliant and ready to go. And yes, we support all engineering, technologists and technician disciplines, mechanical, biomedical, electrical, civil, IT and many more. We would like to take this opportunity to give some testimonies from our client results, some real success stories. We have worked with engineering technologists and technicians from over 15 countries, and we are proud to say that our clients have a 98% success rate on their first submission. Let me give you a quick example. Arjun from India, a civil engineer. He came to us confused about the summary statement. We guided him step by step, and within 4 weeks, he had his MSA approved. Second example, I can give you Nuani from Sri Lanka, a biomedical engineer. English wasn't her strength. We helped refine her career episodes and got her approved in one go. And another example I can give you, Ahmed from Pakistan, an electrical engineer. His first CDR was rejected due to plagiarism. We wrote and resubmitted it for him, and this time it passed. Success isn't about writing perfect English. It's about telling your engineering story and journey the right way, and that's what we help you to do. Why you need to choose us? There are many CDR writing services out there, especially in Australia, New Zealand, and several other abroad countries. But here's what sets us apart. We are purely based in Colombo, Sri Lanka, which is very near to Asian market, so that you can reach us quickly, and our charges are as per the Asian countries' norms. We do not copy is our specialty. Everything we prepare is custom. We know how Engineers Australia evaluates the report, and we follow their official guidelines. We work with engineers, not just writers. Our technical team are having many engineers from different perspectives so that we can exactly write whatever you are trying to interpret through us. That means we understand your world. And most importantly, we care about your future. Our goal is to help you make your migration dream in reality. Are you ready to get started? Contact us via our WhatsApp number +94 76 911 1820, or you can visit our website for consultations. It is easy to drop a text through WhatsApp so that you can get our consultations quickly on the way. Like this video if you helped us, or if you would like to share this with your community, fellows and circles, it will be a great help and encouragement to us to extend our supports for fellow engineers and technicians and technologists. Furthermore, please subscribe for more upgrades and updates regarding these engineering migrations to Australia and New Zealand, and share this video with your friends who may need in CDR report helps. We will see you in the next video, and remember, your engineering career deserves the world. Let's take it there. Thank you so much for watching this entire video. Please circulate this video, and looking forward to help you to write your CDR report and make your dreams come true in your migration journey. See you soon. Bye bye and have a great day.